You now have access to Google Veo 3 right in Riverside. Google Veo 3 is now built into the Riverside Editor. Generate high-quality videos with AI just with a text prompt, automatically add B-roll to your entire edit, and even generate audio with that video so you can generate the perfect shot with AI in just a few seconds. Here's how to use Google Veo 3 in Riverside. Here in the Riverside Editor, you can go over to our Videos Overlay tool, which you have access to royalty-free videos. You could search for any stock video you want. But if you click Generate AI B-roll here at the bottom, you now have access to Google Veo 3, which generates high-quality AI video and audio. You could toggle generating audio on or off, but let's actually prompt Veo 3 to create something from scratch. Your prompt can be as simple or as detailed as you'd like. I'll click Generate, and while that's generating, I'll show you a few clips I already generated with Veo 3. Having a tech podcast, sometimes we need B-roll of someone using a tech device, so I asked Google Veo 3 to generate someone scrolling on an iPad sitting on a sofa. Now I can use that B-roll however I'd like. And it will also live in my Uploads tab, so if I want to use this B-roll in the future, I can do that as well. Also, if you didn't like exactly what was generated, you can click Retry. It will use the same prompt and then generate a new video. Here's another video clip I generated with Veo 3. This one has video and sound, and I'll play it for you in a moment. But I just asked it to have an elderly man on a boat. But as you can see, it is incredibly lifelike, high quality, and those audio sounds are great as well. Now I just got notified that the AI generated video I prompted before is available, so let's watch it. I'll overlay it on top of our edit here. Let's preview it. And again, looks incredible. Google Veo 3 is an incredibly advanced generator. And if you want Riverside just to add a bunch of B-roll clips generated with AI, you can actually go to the AI tools here in the editor and click Auto Generate B-roll. That will create several clips based on your transcript and topic that then you can use however you'd like. And while you're in the AI tools, remember you can remove silences, filler words, smart mute tracks when someone's not speaking, and all the other AI tools to help you edit fast and repurpose your content. And you even have access to Co-Creator here in the editor. You can just use natural language and ask it for edits, like make this clip ready to share. It'll remove fluff, silences, filler words, add animated captions, get it ready to share, and that's it, you're ready to go. You can ask Co-Creator to make a promo trailer from your recording, generate images, give you title description and show note suggestions, and a ton more. I'll link a video on Co-Creator right up here so you can see the powerful tools available both here in the editor and on your dashboard. And remember, you still have access to royalty-free music. You can add background music as many times as you would like throughout your recording. Animated captions, you can save your favorite style and quickly apply them. And you can reformat your video 9:16 for a reel or TikTok, or do longer form segments, which we now have a magic segments feature where Riverside will automatically create 5 to 10 minute clips of your long form recording, great for uploading to your YouTube channel. And you can always upload images, search for royalty-free images, and more. Here's that clip I showed you before with both video and audio. And when you're done editing, you can export in up to 4K right here from Riverside. If you have any questions about Veo 3 or the many AI tools built into Riverside, let us know down in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that like button. Lots of new features coming soon, plus tutorials on how to build your setup, upgrade your microphone, camera, and a ton more. Or if you'd like to learn how to monetize your podcast, even with smaller audiences, I did a video on that. I'll put it right up here. Or if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and you're not sure where to start, we have videos on that too. I'll link one right here. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.